Welcome to Live Happy. This website will teach you how to live a happy and healthy lifestyle. It provides resources and suggestions on how to deal with stress, anxiety, school, relationships, overall health, and productivity. My goal is to help individuals increase their quality of life by doing the little things. There's always a reason to do better. So, first we have my biography, which just tells you a little bit about me, what I'm doing for my major and my work, what I like to do for fun, and just how I live my everyday life. Here are some resources on how to live a healthy lifestyle. I have links to Spotify playlists that are just good vibes, keep you positive and upbeat. I have some mental health websites, some exercising websites, some workout routines, some clothing and fitness wardrobes, and some healthy recipes to cook at home. Now, this personal choice section is just my personal favorites on some people I watch every day. I love watching Hannah Maloche on YouTube. This is a podcast I listen to. This is an interior design YouTube channel that I listen to. And these are some programs that I use for graphics and art. Now for my tech projects. On the homepage of tech projects, you'll see my Google Slides PowerPoint with just some images on what I use as inspiration for living an active and healthy lifestyle. And also, you'll see our digital scavenger hunt around LSU's campus. Then you have my digital story. My digital story is about a girl named Sarah's Day, and this tells you all about her life, her journey, and she's documented everything on YouTube, so go check that out on my YouTube channel. And this also has my digital storyboard with the script and images of everything in the digital story. Then you have my PLN and PLE. This explains the difference between a personal learning network and a personal learning environment. And then you have here my reflections. So this is some reflections on some techniques we learned in class about a Wakelet, which is a public resource for anyone, which can be super beneficial in any learning environment, like a Wikipedia, for example, or a microblog, which is a Twitter or an Instagram. And then there's obviously normal blogs, and those are two of my favorite bloggers, Sarah's Day and Much Love Sophie. And then you get to my mobile app. The mobile app that I reflected on was Storyboard That, and it's a really good resource for teachers or just educators to use for collaboration, challenges, and assignments. Then we have a website evaluation. I evaluated the Museum of Modern Art's website. It was very good. It had a lot of resources, information, calendars, events, and a lot of great graphics of art. So that was awesome if you're into art. And then we have the ISTE Standards, which teaches you how to be a good leader, citizen, collaborator, designer, facilitator, and learner, and analyst. Last, we have my Apple Teacher Certification. This just shows that I'm certified to use all the Apple platforms like Word, GarageBand, Keynote, and things like that. And then lastly, on my homepage, we have my tech blog, which brings you to my blog about living a happy and healthy lifestyle. First, I reflected on a wiki, which is an accessible platform to the public. Anyone who views it can participate at no cost with no restrictions. Like I said, Wikipedia is an example. I then go in to talk about copyright and how that's so important in today's society of technology, and just to go into the legal usage of it and how it can be beneficial and detrimental in a learning environment. And then another just overall introduction about myself. And up here you have my contact information if you want to learn anything or have any questions. And yep, that's my website, Live Happy. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks. Bye.